Oke, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let's praise to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala who has given us many pleasures, three of which are healthy, Islamic, and faith. Peace and salutation to our beloved Prophet Muhammad SAW and to his family, his companion, and we as his followers, we can get his intercession on this day. Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Ali Palakim. I want to be host in today. And hello everyone, it's back again in the weekend test talk event. And today we will discuss about how to create a landing page that is the correct and young understood by user, which will be discussed by Ahmad Abian Putra. And for Ahmad Abian Putra, plan and terms is yours.
Okay, thank you, Alif. And so today, guys, we are gonna make a simple beauty landing page web design. So, uh, okay, I'm gonna share screen of it. Okay, okay. So this is the example of landing page. Uh, it's about learning or e-course, e-learning, web design. The name is Yuk Belajar. Okay, so today we're gonna make some simple landing page like that. So first, we're gonna go to the region tools and then select frame or the shortcut is F. And then in the right hand side, there is a pop-up colored frame. This is the indicator of the frame that we will be using. So today we're gonna be using web design. So we're using a desktop frame with the width of 1440 and the height is 1024. Okay, after this, after you select it and the pop-up of the desktop appear, and then you can guys you can select text and then uh, text a menu, type a menu that you will want to be using. Okay, okay, okay. The menu size is 16. Then you can duplicate it, change the text. Okay, to this you can select the all menu and then you can auto layout it. So what is auto layout do? It's tidying up the menu that we have created so that it can it cannot go anywhere. Just stay in there and tidying it up, and we can freely adjust the space of it. I'm gonna change the space to from 7 to 15, 14 or 16. Okay. After that, you can guys you can add some logo of it. I'm gonna choose a plugin, just a dummy plugin called Logo Ipsum. You guys can right click and then go to the plugin site and then type in the logo Ipsum. Okay. After after there is a pop-up, then you can select the logo you want to and then just click of it. And logo will appear in your frame Figma file. But before it, we're gonna add some layout grid. So select the desktop first, desktop frame, and then add some grid. Change the grid to the column and change the count to 12. And then change margin to 100. Why grid is so important? Because grid is actually one of the crucial things in designing app or web design because there because this grid have some indicator so that we can know that the space between the desktop and the text or the element that we want to use it, we can have some space between it so that there is no some uh, other things that you can create it, and then after that you can name the logo of it, maybe like okay. After this you can guys add some button of it, so type the text, maybe sign up or login with a bold size, and then auto layout it again and change the height to 64 56 mark. Sorry. Okay, this add some fill, change the fill rate and change the corner radius so that it can beauty again. Okay, after this, can guys select the both of the button and then totally out again so that it tidies and tidy the button and it manually just making the button more tidy. Okay, then it can change the space of it maybe to 16 or 24. Okay. After you frame the button, you can select the all of the menu logo button and guys auto layout again with the shortcut of Shift A. Okay, don't forget to change the space to drop down to auto so that it can make easier to you. So when you drag it, the button behind it can also be dragged as well. Okay, after you select all the button, logo, and menu, and then auto layout, you guys can change the height of it to 100 because the 100 height 90s to 100 is the size for the header in website. Okay, so that the size it cannot be smaller or bigger, just in between them. And then after it, you guys can auto let again, and then make the weight to 100 for 1440, the same as the desktop. Okay, so this is the first step, making a header. So the header is done, and then we can go next to the making a header section. Okay, you guys can add some text and then just type in learn. Change the text to 64 with the regular to bold. Okay, after that you can guys add some text again. Type in Okay, after that, change to regular to 24, and then add some button again. You guys can select the button from the sign up or login button, and then just duplicate it. And then after it, you guys can select the image you want to. Okay, yes. So you select the image you want to. It, there is some reference for it. You guys can get the image from Unsplash, and then Pixels. There is so much image that you can get. And after that, you guys can select the image you want to, and then maybe search some key key search. The name is student. Okay, select some, and then copy image. Go to the frame or file that you want to, and then after you select it, you can select all of the elements of typography, text, and button, then auto layout again, and change the space to 32. So auto layout is very useful because it literally just you shift A, and then you guys can have some experience of it, and boom, the auto layout just automatically do the spacing for you. It's pretty useful for making a web or application and other things to do. Okay, after it, you guys can select again the image and auto layout again. Then don't forget to activate the grid, which is the shortcut is Shift and J, Shift K. And then after this, you guys change the space to auto from 54 to auto. Now, why change to auto? Because when you change to auto, it can drag you, right? The the image drag you from the top, the left, the right corner, but this element doesn't get dragged along with it. So only the right image or the image when you drag it. It's pretty useful honestly. And after that, you guys can shift again and we type to the 1440. Okay, okay, and change the vertical layout to 72 because the spacing between the element and the container is 72 or between section is 72. That is the space between the element on section. Okay, after this we can uh, add some filter section so you guys can uh, search the plugin again, right click and then search the plugin name called material symbol. Sorry, material symbol. Okay, this is the plugin from the Google itself, and so many of people using it, like 275K. And then you guys can run of it. Oh, and don't forget to save the plugin too. Then search the symbol. Uh, okay. After that, you select all the icon you want to. And then we can change the size to 64 and shift it out again and change the horizontal and vertical to 24 and change to 1 and then to that boom. And after this can begin again and change width to scale with shortcut K and change to 64. Then duplicate again, change to 72 width and 64 with scale shortcut K. Then change the color of it and text the name. Okay, after that, text again, and then change to 16. And after that, auto layout again, and change to 16. Okay, set for it the space of 20 and 16 between the logo and the element. Then you can duplicate it and drag the icon follow. Okay, that it. You can select all and then go to auto. This. Okay, okay, that it. Duplicate it and boom. And after this, just do okay. And then you can play here, play auto layout and change to 1400. Okay, so picture section is done. Go to the next, which is okay. We're gonna make some call to action or a card. Select the image okay, after this, copy and paste in the figure. So that add some text. Just to bold 28 and check to regular with 18. Okay, some bottom of it. Add, add some bottom again. Okay, after this, like all of the textbook step and change to 24 static layout true. Then change the button to home to fill, and then after this change the image to okay. After this just duplicate and duplicate the name of it. Okay, for this can select out of it and auto layout again. Just to spacing to auto again, and then to text again. Okay, after it, add some button again with duplicate and check to see that and auto layout the button and the text change to auto again so that we can we the button can freely move without the element of it text can not be redirected or dragged. It case can select the element frame and element card and then auto layout again. Change to space to 48. Then change the width to 144. Okay, then select the field and change to Okay, after we make your card, we'll make it a call to action. Some text again. Just to go. Then add some button of it. Right? After that, I can fill out again. And then the last, we'll make a filter. So first add some logo of it. Just copy and duplicate. And then add some what else? The skin and regular too. Okay, after this, you select all of it, and okay again, change to then drag to the grid, then logo, let some, okay, and space with 16, just change the 130 to 48, and then yes, get change to auto. Okay, this, okay, and after you make a footer, you guys can select all the section between it except for the header, and then auto that again, and change the text spacing to 0 so that can have some pretty nice standards and have some tidy cleanup. And okay, okay, that's and then when you want to preview, you can select in here and in preview. As you guys can see, just a simple of it, create study, and then v2, and then the class, and then call to action. Okay, that's just a simple making a simple web design for me. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm giving back this to the Alif. Okay,
Okay, thank you for Rabian for sharing this knowledge on how to create the right landing page on And once again, thank you for listening to the Weekend Talk even today. And thank you. Maybe that's all for me. Sorry if we have a mistake for today. And thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.